Good morning! I hope everyone's excited as I am. That was really lame, but look, we got the trailer out. That means Kent's car is going to the dyno. That means you guys should probably make an estimate on horsepower numbers. I think that's how it works, right? Do it! Hit the thumbs up. Don't even care about horsepower numbers. On the road. To put it in some context, we just worked night shifts, so we're both, let's just say this is gonna come in handy.
It's not the first time.
No, wouldn't be the first time. I mean, technically I've been awake since 2 p.m. yesterday, and it's 10 a.m. now. So you do the math, because I can't math right now. After you've been awake for so many hours, you can't math anymore.
20 hours.
There you go. See if it cold starts now with the ethanol. Before we put it on the dyno, we're loading up the 7,500 RPM, 22 degrees of timing, letter buck tune.
Yeah, throw your kitchen sink at it.
Insert guesses here.
Chasing it, but at idle it'll actually give it negative timing on this exhaust, which I did something we've been dealing with. Yeah, I would just give it a minute, and see it's still up. Way too much going on. It's a lot of shit. It works.
That made 660 or something?
Yeah.
On like the most knocking tune-up ever.
Look at that. Fuck. Kyle, how come yours doesn't look like that?
Because I built it?
This one definitely could.
Can't see it. Almost. Canada. Oh, you can kind of see it. My breath. We're going back to the dyno. We were only making one hit yesterday. So finish it off today and then we'll head home. Also, Canada.
And just like that, we're all censored out.
So So this is the next day. This is what we ended off with. 854. We have a revision with a little bit more timing and a little more RPM, so we'll rev a little higher. This was 7,600 RPM, I think. 77. So we can go to 8,000 this time. Bang it off the limiter. Earplugs are necessary. Open headers are excessive. Yep, so 907. How much? 731 torque. That's some rod bending torque right there.
Yeah, that's about.
Ain't nothing but a peanut!
I mean, we got 4 smaller pulleys to put on.
That's party.
So we'll take this data log, send it off to John Lund again, and
Go from there.
yeah, see what he says about it. That's that's way more. That's like 100 more horsepower than I expected, especially on this 4.0 pulley. That's like the biggest pulley we can put on there. But we have a 20% overdrive crank pulley, but still 4.0 is the biggest upper pulley that they make for a Whipple. So this is like the lowest amount of boost you can run with this setup.
Little car, you see a spot on the rear quarter panel where there's no paint.
Oh yeah, feels like 900. It just spins.
Is it third? Jesus Christ.
It hooked though.
Yeah. Oh, it's just fucking useless, right?
Yeah, I'm first and second.
You want me to move that, like, fog out of the way? We'll have to push it down a little bit. Did I call the old visible crack? Yeah. He's older than Bart. And we thought Bart was the old guy. That one's blowed up real good. You look at that one? A little wheelie cut. There you go.
There's just pistons missing. Oh, this side isn't so bad.
This side is.
Yep.
There's parts of the piston.
What is coming out of?
That yellow Camaro.
Just put a new one, fresh one in, and
Off the dyno, everything's loaded up. Just gonna head over to AMS Engines to see Fuckboy Chuck. Drop off those LS fuel rails to him. I think you gotta pick up some oil.
successful.
Successful, yeah. Nothing blew up, which is really weird for us. Weird for you, actually. It's the first car you've ever had on the dyno that didn't blow up now, I think.
Makes good power, mind you. It is a dyno jet.
It is a dyno jet.
They do read high.
It's a Disney jet.
It's the industry standard, though. People use them, so.
But,
Super cool guys.
yeah, even if it's 800 wheel on like a Mustang dyno, Not a lot of things on the streets fucking around with 800 wheel horsepower cars. Going to Gapplebee's. Get some Gapperonis.
Fucking take this shit to Gapistan.
I'm not videotaping. This is all VR. This is all edited in the background. I'm not actually driving.
I deleted it. Didn't come up very nice. I gotta redo that.
They're 1S7 rails. LS1 China.
The big man.
Morning.
Morning.
It's time for a haircut there, Chuck.
It is actually.
Here to fuck shit up.
What kind of shit are you gonna fuck up?
Mainly my block. So we can take the LS the rest of the way down. Some new gaskets.
LS9 ones?
They look the exact same, yeah. So we don't have to use a chisel to open the filter next time now.
Nope.
Sick. Does anybody need a crank?
Got a couple cranks.
Yeah, a couple cranks here. One or two.
Excellent.
Young heat on ethanol and shit.
Yeah.
Throw it on.
Fancy oil. That makes the power, right?
Sure does.
It's the only reason it wasn't under 900.
Yeah, I would have made like 899.9.
About to make these pump bitches mad again. Uh-oh. Back to them. I leave the packs on my back to them.
We made it. Don't look at my secret password. Look, there's Eric. Go get your car to the garage now. Hey, Eric.
What's up?
This made double the wheel horsepower your car did. Everybody's gonna hate you. The good shit. I run E98 in my car, so one of those is mine, and then Kent bought two of them, and he just dumbs it down a little bit with a bit of pump fueled MIG E85. Eric's got to go to work.
Unfortunately.
So this is what we have to load up next, because he's leaving in a couple days to go to AFR to get this retuned and a bit of work done. So this is Eric's R33 GTR V-Spec. I'll show you under the hood after. I forgot straight 6 noises. And right-hand drive. Stupid twin discs.
Oh, I'm already recording.
Two JZ engine, no shit. Well, for serious, this is a really nice engine bay, isn't it? Titanium intake, Borg-Warner turbo. Skyline GTR. Hydro dipped valve covers. It's a nice setup.
Enough rice to choke a Chinaman.
Savage. That was our trip. Didn't shoot an outro. Typical me. I did spend some time playing around with the gimbal, so I'll throw up a couple clips from the garage, but I'm gonna make an edit out of the footage I got with the gimbal for the trip. Just a small thing that I'll probably upload to Facebook or something. But peace easy. Get that V. Stick around if you want to see what sick cars there was there. It was pretty sick.
I mean, he wants to dive. Don't forget your suitcase.
Oh, I know.
Well, you said you forget stuff, so.
But the stand for that, this is in there, so I'll remember it.
Yeah. No listen to Randy, pal. An old miserable prick. I'm gonna try and remember that, but I probably won't.
I think the best is going to do a swing. There's nothing holding that one guy built beautiful wind coming off.
Oh, like that?
And just one mass air said.